In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify and partially close open trades on DXtrade. So the first thing you have to do here, of course, you must place a trade. And whenever you do it, I would actually recommend you go to My Account up top and click on Positions. And then over here, it's going to show your positions. Now, of course, first you must initiate a trade. So you could go to Buy or Sell over here. And of course, you have to buy or sell a specific amount of lots via any order type you want. And then here, whenever you have the open trade here, you'll be able to then actually modify it or partially close it. And the way you can do this is I would recommend just right clicking on the position, and you can click on modify position over here, and this will basically allow you to set stop losses, take profits, etc. And then you can click on the modify button and you've successfully modified your position. However, if you want to partially close it, right click it, click on close position, and then over here you can of course select how much you want to close. So I have 0.2 lots, as you can see, so 0.02 lots. I can just click on minus over here, and I'm basically going to close half of it, so 0.01 lots out of 0.02. okay, and you can just click on close position, and just like this you've basically partially closed that open trade. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.